Hi, it's Timo. In the last video, I used ChatGPT to help Laura network to become a talent acquisition manager. Let's use ChatGPT to generate more networking ideas for Laura. In this video, the topic of networking is attending industry events, webinars, and conferences to build contacts and stay informed about industry trends. Next, let's use AI to help Laura attend different events in her field. First, I'll give ChatGPT a role as previously. I already made prompt here. Let's hit enter. And I give you actually 4 roles. Okay, then it started to list few areas. Thank you, ChatGPT. So next I'll feed it the prompt to generate ideas about attending the industry events. And here's the prompt. How can I use ChatGPT to attend HR industry events, webinars, conferences to build contacts and stay informed about industry events? Let's send the message. And here it goes. It started to give us tips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, once again, tips look very useful. And next, let's give it a third prompt. Thank you. Check out upcoming HR events, webinars, and community field to let first stay informed about these trends. Send the message to AI. Okay, I'll pause the video when it's going to do its research. Okay, let's resume in a minute. Okay, here we go. While specific details on Finnish HR events weren't available in the sources, I'm ready to introduce HR events. Okay. So, chat, HR technical conference exposition, Inspire HR West Empower. Okay. These are US, UK, global events. Yeah, why not? So, now it says, I recommend keeping an eye on local event platforms, HR's Ready Finland for more region-specific events. Yeah. So in the last video, I showed how you can how you can use Henry ry, the biggest association, HR association in Finland, and how you can join HR and how you can attend their events. So you may need to refer to my last video for this one. And of course, do some Googling, to use Google to look for events, the coming events. In the next video, we'll continue to use ChatGPT to implement Laura's job search plan. Thanks for watching.